Mommy and Daddy go look at some cars now?
Uh-huh.
We can? All right, let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today's gonna be an action-packed, very fun family day because Gavin, where are we going today?
We gotta go see cars.
We're gonna go see cars.
Mommy's home.
Oh, and Mommy's home. Are you excited for the auto show?
Yeah.
What's this one right here?
Volkswagen.
It is a Volkswagen. Can you say Subaru?
Subaru. Okay, forward. Buick. BMW.
Good job, buddy. Today's our last big family day before you become a big brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you excited to become a big brother?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Well, Mommy's home. She just pulled in the driveway, so I was supposed to get you ready.
Okay.
Unless you're going out like that, I failed.
Are you ready to go to the car show?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna see all kinds of cars?
Yeah, BMW.
Yeah, you wanna see the BMWs?
Yeah. I like Volkswagen.
You do?
Yeah, we gotta go watch it.
Yeah, and how about Fiat?
Fiat.
Okay, well we're heading there now. And we're gonna go see all the cars, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. All right, Gavin, you ready to go in and see all the cars?
Get
ready?
Yeah.
All right.
They're not going to be loud though, buddy. I know you thought they were going to be loud, but don't worry, they're not.
You excited? So you want to see all the trucks?
Is it like your game? Yeah, it's like what's in your game.
Is that cool, bud?
Yeah.
Whoa!
That one don't fit.
That's not gonna fit in the garage. Is it too big?
Yeah.
We like the platinum one, of course. Platinum.
Oh, yes, the most expensive one in here.
Of all. Well, I mean,
Holy crap.
that one won't fit, no, for sure.
Yeah, I think this one's a little too big, buddy. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, it's totally cool.
Like they just let normal people drive them?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Go! Whoa!
Like, where's the scuff the left?
Like, that just doesn't look good.
It doesn't look good. No. Like, they shift horribly. Like, I feel like, I don't know, like, I feel like this is good for them.
There it goes.
Here it goes.
Okay, she's going quick. Okay. You're gonna flip that thing.
Still makes me nervous.
There it goes. It's stuck. Whoa. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I want to do.
You want to sit in there?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Seatbelt, Dad. Where are you gonna go?
Jump in.
Jump in, Mom.
Jump in?
That's where we're going. Let's do a quick lap. All right, you're driving. Go. Gavin, you like this car?
No.
No? Gavin doesn't want us to get a Toyota, obviously. Gavin, you want a car?
Yeah.
Which car do you want? You want that one?
Yeah.
You want the cop car? $12. All of them?
Just gotta check it out first.
This kid's like in heaven right now.
I know. That's an ice cream truck.
Are you putting the French fry in your new truck?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at a bullet.
Is it bad that Mommy's still hungry?
Yeah.
Do you want more French fries?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Should we get Mommy some more French fries?
Yeah.
Because you ate them all. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like seeing all the cars?
Yeah.
Gavin, I think we found our next car.
Yeah.
You like this car?
Yeah, but you fit.
You fit?
Yeah.
Does Mommy like this car?
Mommy likes this one. It's just more room and it's not a minivan. I don't want a minivan.
It's not a minivan.
I don't want a minivan.
What is this, Ford Explorer? But this is the Platinum.
This is the Platinum, so you'd have to just determine what's the difference.
A lot of bells and whistles on this one.
A lot of bells and whistles. Like, do we really need all these bells and whistles?
Gavin, do we need all these bells and whistles?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Cool, you got in all by yourself.
You know by yourself. I do like that. I do like that these are built in.
There's no seat there, bud. Yeah, no, I like this car.
I do too.
Cool. Well, we got what we wanted. We got to at least come and look at a car that we liked.
Right, and there wasn't anything else. Everything is so small inside.
Anyone else out there drive a Ford Explorer? If so, let us know how you like it.
1, 2.
You just like the TVs.
Yeah, look at my TV. 1.
You got 2 TVs. You can watch Paw Patrol for days. Gavin, did you have fun?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
What car was your favorite?
I like a truck.
You like the truck? Oh, you like your truck?
Yeah.
Cool. You want to go home and play with it?
Yeah.
Where's your new truck?
Right here.
There it is. Whoa!
Going Target.
The new truck's going to Target?
Yeah.
Looks like it already went to Target. I'm glad you had fun.
Yeah.
I think Mommy had fun too.
Yeah.
You want to say bye to everyone?
Bye, everyone. See you later, alligator.
Okay, bye.
Bye.